Hello everyone, this is the first recorded video that I'm going to be doing for you for this year. I'm going to go to our Schoology course for today, in Schoology folder. So this is our independent science activity. You don't have to do this is optional, but it sounds really fun to me. So I'm just going to open up independent science, which you already did, and when you open it up, you would have seen a video, but I'm making the video right now, so it's not there. But these are the tree observation lesson 1 directions. So I'm just going to read through these directions. You don't have to use these, but I'm going to read through them because they might help. You can also watch the video to learn how to do this activity, but these are also the written directions. Number 1, choose any tree you want. Just make sure it is a tree you can visit easily and try to pick a tree that still has green leaves. Number 2, take a photo of the tree. Number 3, after you take the photo, add a caption to rate some of these observations. For example, you can add the color of the leaves. An example, the leaves are green, the leaves are dark green, the leaves are light green, the leaves are yellow, red. Amount of leaves on a tree. Example, the tree is full of leaves, almost full of leaves, half full of leaves, almost leafless, or leafless. In leafless, there's that suffix at the end, less, meaning no leaves. Color of the bark on the trunk. Example, the trunk is brown, gray, black, white. Size of the tree. Example, the tree is shorter than me, my height, taller than me, as tall as my home. And even think about the colors up there. If you can be even more descriptive, like a really dark brown, or maybe a really light brown, or maybe it's even the kind of like tannish, whatever it is. Other observations. Example, you could say, my tree stands straight up and tall and I can barely wrap my arms around it. You can add any other interesting observations that you want. You can now visit your tree as often as you want until next Friday. Every time you visit your tree, you can take a photo and add a caption and write your observations. You can also use one of your notebooks and make a drawing of your tree if you want to as well. You can post that on Seesaw. You can do your drawing in pencil or you can use colors. And really, all of this work is going to be on Seesaw. So I'm going to switch over to Seesaw right now. And I'm in the sample student right now, and there's our vocabulary lesson from yesterday. Devastated, ruckus, lounge. We're thinking of antonyms, opposite words to ruckus. But this is how it works. So I'm going to hit the green plus sign at the top to add. I couldn't get internet outside to be able to take the photo. If you're able to, you can just hit the photo button to take a picture. Or what you might have to do, like I had to do, I have to go to upload. So in the bottom left corner, I hit upload. And photos and videos. It might ask you if you need to have access to your photos. If you need access, just make sure to hit OK. If it's not working, you can always shoot me an email and I can help. But I'm going to go to my camera roll, or recently added, either one. And I'm actually going to add this one right here, because that's the picture of the tree. You can see it's out at the recess area. That's why I chose that one. Almost all the way green, but there are some yellow leaves. So you're going to add that photo. And there it is. Then I'm going to add a caption. So if you don't know how to add a caption, in the bottom left corner, they look almost like two eyes with eyebrows. Right here it's blue. I touch that, and I can add my captions. Now, my observations, and you might think, oh yeah, what am I supposed to do for observations? Well, I'm going to go back to Seesaw, and I see, oh yeah, the color, amount of leaves, the bark, the size. Okay, so now I'm going to just start to add those captions. So, my tree has green, I'm going to say dark green leaves with some starting to turn yellow. Not very much though. The trunk is a dark brown. And I went to go look at it, and it is very rough, not smooth bark at all on the trunk. The tree is full of leaves. It is as tall as the school. It also stands up very straight and, in my opinion, is very pretty. It is also I'm going to change that sentence. I like this one better. One more thing. It is a basswood tree. I know what kind of tree it is, so I'm going to write that in there. So that's my observation. When I'm all done, I'm just going to hit the green check up at the top. And I'm going to put it to I'm going to put it to all of you so you can all see that for today. But also I'll just hit that green check and then it'll send there. So you can do this any day that you want to do. You can do it today. You can do it over the weekend. You can do it every single day. But the cool thing is, the more you do it, the more you go study your tree and look at this tree and observe this tree, you're going to get to watch all the changes of fall happening with it. And really, it can be any tree that you want, just a tree that's easy for you to visit. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have fun with this, everybody.